Today we're gonna do one of my favorite things. We're taking a classic grilled cheese and we're gonna crank it up to an 11 with bacon and brisket. Okay, now this is the brisket that's gonna make those grilled cheeses amazing. All we're adding to this is a nice about 16-pound prime brisket. We're just adding coarse pepper and kosher salt. And again, we left all that beautiful fat on the bottom, and in the point, we just trimmed the silver skin and excess fat and some of the stuff that wouldn't render during the cook. All we're gonna do to cook this, after we put the rub on all sides and on the bottom, we're gonna smoke it at 225 if you're using a pellet smoker. When I use my big stick burner, I do it at about 275. You cook it till the internal gets to about 165. Then I wrap in butcher paper. I let it go until we reach about 203. Put it in my cooler to rest for 4 hours, and it's ready to go. Right now, I throw it in fat side down. Don't touch it for 5 hours. I will spritz with apple cider vinegar and water till we hit 165. Then it gets wrapped and cooked till 203. Time for a nice 4-hour rest in the cooler, and then we'll be making some incredible sandwiches. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. My wife told me I smelled like barbecue. There's only one proper response to when someone tells you that, and that's, you're welcome. Oh, look at this brisket. Absolutely beautiful. See that jiggle to this? Oh my goodness, this looks incredible. Look at the juices in that meat. This is a nice long 4-hour rest. Look at the bend on that. I'm gonna save this for some other cooks later. This part with all the great flavor and just is what we're gonna use for our sandwiches. I'm gonna use this right now. Oh, I'm gonna cut these nice and thick. This is just like meat butter right here. Unbelievable. For the bread for this amazing grilled cheese, we're using the Tuscan loaf here. Beautiful bread. It's got a soft interior, and it's got a nice mild flavor. We'll slice some massive pieces, and these will work perfectly. We got some great cheese for this. I've got a sharp cheddar, the great touch of a little gruyere, and this just adds that extra flavor that just sets it over the top for me. Okay, to get this thing started on the grill, we're gonna get the bacon going here. We're gonna do the insides first. We're gonna give them a light toast here. So we're gonna put a little mayo on there, put that on. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna put an offensively large amount of cheese on these. 4 pieces of bacon on each and nice thick pieces of brisket. Oh, I cannot wait to eat. I'm gonna put the mayo on the top here real quick. It's not a low-fat sandwich with the bacon and the brisket, so have fun with the mayonnaise too. Okay, so the inside is toasted perfectly. We're gonna flip these over. Some cheddar. Put them on both top and bottom. Some gruyere. On this side, nice 4 pieces of bacon. Oh, the smells from here. If I could only share them with you. Nice huge piece of brisket. Gonna give them a little cover with the dome to help melt the cheese for a little bit. Oh, that is beautiful. I mean, that is what I'd call the ultimate grilled cheese. We'll slice this up and then I'm diving in. Oh my goodness. I need a moment. Thanks so much for watching this fun cook. I love these. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see cooked next. I'd be happy to do it. Have a great week, everybody. And remember, spread love through barbecue.